the Teeny Tamari Listing, and as you read the title, my first season for Shopkins. So it's time to open them. I hope I get a Petkins. This was like $5, but I still got it since I had my money. Okay, I'm ready. Like that. Gotta keep that one hiding. I don't want to see it. Let's see. Breadcrumbs, which is a common. I always get commons. Hear that, Shopkins? You got some new friends. Hutchison. Yeah, it'll be a surprise. Okay, I don't know how to open this. I'm always having a hard time. Got it. Breadcrumbs. Next one is, oh dang it, it's Berry Smoothie. I thought this was a Petkins. Berry Smoothie is a rare. Yay, a rare. Wait, rare, right? Yeah, rare. Thought this was a Petkins. I thought this was Dinky Drink. Here's another Berry Smoothie. And here's Breadcrumbs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.